Hello guys, welcome back with our new video. In this video, I'll help you how to fix Instagram bio link not working. So guys, if you want to open any bio link on any Instagram account, or if you want to change your bio link or want to click on your bio link and your bio link is not working properly, then I'll help you how to fix this problem. So guys, you can easily and smoothly you can fix this problem. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, firstly you need to open your settings in your phone, and guys, after this you need to click on Wi-Fi and make sure that your Wi-Fi is proper connected with your phone. Is if guys already connected, then you need to click on Wi-Fi, click on forget, and guys, after click on forget, you need to connect it again with your phone. And after connecting it, so guys, wait for connecting. And guys, after connecting it, you need to go back. And guys, if do not have Wi-Fi, simply you need to open your mobile data. And guys, the second method is you need to scroll down, click on app management, and guys, after this you need to click on app list. And guys, here you need to find Instagram. So after finding Instagram, you need to open Instagram. So guys, here you can see Instagram, click on it and click on storage and cache. And guys, simply you need to click on clear cache and clear storage and click on OK. And guys, after doing this, you need to log in again with your Instagram account. And the third method is you need to update your Instagram. So guys, how can you update? So guys, simply you can update your Instagram. So guys, first of all, you need to open your Play Store, and in this Play Store you need to search Instagram and click on Instagram. And guys, here is the option of update. So guys, simply you can update your app from there. And guys, after updating, your problem will be fixed and you will be able to open any bio link or want to create bio link on your Instagram. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.